Have you ever seen someone swimming lap after lap, mile after mile with this calm, rhythmic ease, and wondered what they know that you don't? It looks like a secret club, doesn't it? While most of us are in a battle with the water, splashing, gasping, feeling our muscles burn after just a few lengths, they seem to have unlocked a different kind of physics, a source of endless energy. What if I told you that the difference isn't just fitness, or youth, or natural talent? The biggest factor is a simple misunderstanding, a fundamental error almost everyone makes when they first get in the pool. And today we're setting the record straight. This is the untold secret behind swimming effortlessly, and it all starts with a single, counterintuitive shift. Stop trying to move the water. That's right. The secret to effortless swimming isn't about applying more force, it's about meeting less resistance. Think about it. Water is over 800 times denser than air. Every clumsy, forceful movement you make is met with massive pushback. It's like trying to run in a vat of honey. You're expanding all your energy just fighting the environment itself. So here's the breakthrough revelation. Elite, distance swimmers aren't water fighters. They are water architects. They spend their mental energy not on pulling harder, but on shaping their body into a form that water can flow past smoothly. Their primary skill is streamlining, and it's a skill you can learn today. The number one enemy of streamlining, the anchor that drags you down and tires you out, isn't weak arms. It's a sinking lower body. When your hips and legs drop, you're no longer swimming through the water. You're swimming uphill. You become a brake, not a bullet. So how do you fix it? How do you lift that anchor? It begins not with your legs, but with your head and your lungs. Your head is the steering wheel of your body in the water. If you lift your head to look forward, your hips and legs sink like a seesaw. The fix is to look directly down at the black line on the pool bottom. Tuck your chin slightly. This simple head position aligns your spine and tells your hips to rise. Now for the true game changer, your breath. This is the part almost no beginner is taught correctly. You must exhale steadily from the moment your face goes in the water until the moment you turn to breathe. Not a frantic burst, but a constant, relaxed trickle of bubbles. Holding your breath fills your chest with air, making you buoyant in the front, which then makes your heavy legs sink in the back. Consistent exhalation balances the scale. It keeps you level. Put these two together, the head down, the constant exhale, and you will feel a miracle. You will feel the water holding you up. That fight to stay on the surface vanishes. You are now, for the first time, in a position to glide. And that's your new mantra. Glide. Don't fight. Your power from each arm stroke should be directed towards extending that glide, not just churning the water. Feel for the sweet spot where your body feels longest and slicest. Practice it by pushing off the wall in a tight streamline and just coasting. Memorize that sensation of effortless speed. That is your target. Stop thinking about swimming as an arm-powered grind. Start thinking of it as a full-body glide you occasionally propel. Reduce the drag first and watch as the same amount of effort takes you twice as far. Your energy isn't running out. You've just been leaking it into the wake behind you. Plug that leak, unlock the glide, and you unlock the ability to swim, not just for minutes, but for miles. That's the secret. Stop fighting the water and start gliding through it. If this helped you see swimming differently, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.